Welcome back to our channel, ladies and gentlemen. I'm thrilled to have you here today because we have an exciting topic to discuss. In this video, we'll be exploring the top 10 AI companies that are revolutionizing the world with their groundbreaking innovations. Artificial intelligence has become an integral part of our lives, from smart assistants in our pockets to autonomous vehicles on our roads. So without further ado, let's dive into our list and discover the companies at the forefront of this AI revolution. Starting off our countdown at number 10 is a company that needs no introduction, Google. With their deep learning algorithms and massive data processing capabilities, Google has consistently pushed the boundaries of AI. From their search engine to their smart home devices, Google has integrated AI seamlessly into our everyday lives. With ongoing projects like self-driving cars and medical research advancements, it's no surprise they've secured a spot on our list. Moving on to number 9. We have NVIDIA. This technology giant is renowned for its expertise in graphics processing, but they've also become a driving force in the AI industry. NVIDIA's powerful GPU have become a staple for training and running complex AI models. Their dedication to advancing AI technologies has led to significant breakthroughs in fields like healthcare, robotics, and self-driving cars. Now, let's talk about number 8, IBM. With their Watson AI platform, IBM has established itself as a leader in the field of cognitive computing. Watson's ability to understand and interpret natural language has enabled it to excel in areas such as healthcare, finance, and customer service. IBM's commitment to AI research and development has solidified their position as one of the most influential companies in the industry. Our countdown continues with number 7, Amazon. Known for its e-commerce empire, Amazon has also made significant strides in AI. Their virtual assistant, Alexa, has become a household name, revolutionizing the way we interact with technology. Additionally, Amazon has utilized AI in logistics and supply chain management, making their operations more efficient and customer-oriented. Next up at number 6 is Facebook. Social media giant Facebook has embraced AI to enhance user experiences and improve its advertising algorithms. Through facial recognition technology, Facebook has made significant strides in image and video analysis. They've also delved into AI-driven content filtering to ensure a safer online environment for their users. We're halfway through our list, and at number 5, we have Microsoft. With their Azure cloud platform and the development of AI-driven technologies like Cortana, Microsoft has proven to be a key player in the AI landscape. Their commitment to democratizing AI through open-source frameworks and collaborations with researchers and developers has propelled them to the forefront of innovation. Now, let's talk about number 4, OpenAI. As an AI enthusiast, I must give a special shout-out to OpenAI for their groundbreaking work in natural language processing. OpenAI GPT models, including the one powering me, have made significant strides in generating human-like text and aiding in various language-related tasks. Their dedication to advancing AI research and their mission of ensuring its benefits are accessible to all have earned them a well-deserved spot on our list. Coming in at number 3, we have Tesla. Known for their electric vehicles, Tesla has also been a driving force in AI. With their autopilot feature, Tesla has been at the forefront of autonomous driving technology. By combining AI algorithms with advanced sensors and cameras, Tesla vehicles can navigate and make decisions on the road. This fusion of AI and automotive engineering has propelled Tesla to the forefront of the electric vehicle industry. Now, let's move on to number 2 on our list, Apple. As one of the world's leading technology companies, Apple has made significant strides in AI applications. Siri, their virtual assistant, has become a household name and a prime example of how AI can enhance our daily lives. Apple's focus on privacy and user experience sets them apart from other companies in the AI space. They've also incorporated AI into various aspects of their products, from facial recognition in iPhones to personalized recommendations in Apple Music. Finally, we've reached the top spot on our list of the top 10 AI companies, and it goes to none other than Amazon. With their immense infrastructure and dedication to AI research, Amazon has proven to be a powerhouse in the industry. From their AI-powered recommendation engines to their warehouse automation systems, Amazon has harnessed the power of AI to optimize their operations and deliver an unparalleled customer experience. Their continuous innovation and investments in AI have solidified their position as the leader in the field. And that concludes our countdown of the top 10 AI companies revolutionizing the world with their incredible innovations. Each of these companies has played a significant role in shaping the future of artificial intelligence. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest developments in AI, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends who are also interested in AI.